Today I am talking about net zero emission. Net zero emission means balancing greenhouse gases emitted with those removed from atmosphere, resulting in no net increase. Achieving net zero requires reducing emissions across sectors like energy, transport and industry by using renewable energy, improving efficiency and adopting sustainable practices. Remaining emissions are offset through methods like reforestation or carbon capture. Net zero is essential to limit global warming and build a sustainable, climate resilient future.